Lots of confusion in science. Where I put negative sign, where I put positive sign, how can I add, how can I subtract? OMG, minus, plus, minus, plus, plus, minus, minus, plus. How will I understand it? Where I put which sign? Now, no worry. In this video, you will forget about your confusion. So let's start from a number line. A number line is a line with numbers marked of a regular interval, just like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. First start from 0. You have, let's consider that you are here. Now, when you add some number, then you will go forward. You will go forward. Or when you subtract any number from your number, then you will go backward. Backward when you go forward, when you add. Or when you go backward, when you subtract any number. To start from 0 plus 4. You are here. You add 4 in 0. Then you will go 4 steps forward to the number line. You will reach 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, and 4 step. Means you reach at 4 and your answer will be 4. Now we will subtract 5 from 4. Now consider that you are at 5. You are at 5 and we have subtract minus 4, means you have to go backward 4 steps from 5. Let's 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, and 4 step. You reach at number 1. It means your answer will be 1 and 1 is our destination. Now we have two numbers, minus 3 and minus 5. What will we do here? Both numbers are negative. Our first number is 3, minus 3. Then we will add minus 3 and we will go backward 5 steps from minus 3. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, and 5 step. Where we reach? Minus 8. So our answer will be minus 8. Now we have add or subtract on number line. Now you have to remember some addition or subtraction tips. When you had two numbers, you add two numbers. What will you do? Both numbers are positive, then you will add that number. Just like if 2 plus 3, then you will simply add, this will be 5. If both number are negative, then what will you do? Minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5. So we will also add here. It means when signs are same, both are positive or both are negative, then we will simply add that numbers. We will do additions on same signs. If we have same signs, then we will add in addition. Or when signs are different, then what will we do? When signs are positive or negative, negative or positive, then what will we do? We will do subtract here. Let's take an example. Just like 2 plus 3, 2 minus 3. If plus is positive, first number is positive and second number is negative, then we will do subtract. First is positive, second is negative, then we will do subtract. Subtract 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Or sign, which sign we will put here? Of greater number. Which is greater number? Greater number is 3. Greater number is 3. So we will put here sign negative of greater number. When both sign are means minus 2 plus 3, then we will put positive 1. We will put here positive 1. Sign will be greater number. Sign will be considered a greater number. So when different signs, positive and negative, then we will do subtract, only subtract. When we will do subtract on different signs, opposite signs, when signs are different, signs are opposite, then we will do subtract only. Remember it. When we will add, when both signs are same, positive, both are positive or both are negative, then we will add. When both signs are different, positive negative or negative positive, then we will do subtract only. Now it's turn to multiplication and division. And addition and subtraction, when same signs we can add, when different signs we can subtract. Now what will we do in multiplication? In multiplication, just take an example. If both numbers are positive, 2 multiply 3, both are positive, then simply answer will be 6. Means when both signs are positive, answer will be positive in multiplication or division. If both signs are different, both signs are positive, or if both signs are negative, then answer will always be positive. Mean if same signs in multiplication or division, then answer will be positive. Or otherwise, if signs are different in multiplication or division, plus minus or minus plus, then answer will be negative. Answer will be negative. In different signs, if signs are different, then in multiplication or division, then our answer will be always negative. So I think you understand it. Some of my students always says to me that we confuse in equations, how we change signs in equations. Then here I will describe about it. Now first of all, what is equation? What is equation? The sign, when we put the equal sign in any numbers, then it is called the equation. Just like 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Now how can I change signs here? When simply you have to remember, when some number change his position, he goes other side, it goes other side, then it will change his sign. 2x is equal to 5 minus 3. Plus 3 goes to right hand side, so plus 3 convert into minus 3. Plus 3 convert into minus 3. He goes alone. He was alone here. He was only number here. Not variable, no variable with it. So 5 convert into minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2x. Now here is two numbers, 2 and x. But we have the value of x. So we will take only 2 other side. Then x will convert to x changes, 2 changes position, 2 will go downwards, 2 into 2, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So value of x is equal to 1. What we learnt in this equation? We learnt when single number, just like plus 3 changes position, plus 3 goes right hand side. When single number goes right hand side, then it will change his sign only. It will change his sign only rather than his position. He was upward, then here it is also upward. Minus 3 change into plus 3 change into minus 3. But here was two numbers, 2 and x. 2 changes his position. 2 will change his position. 2's position was first upward, then downward. 2x, it changed into 2 over 2. It changed into denominator. First it was in numerator, then here it was in denominator. So 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So x, value of x will be 1. Now let's take other examples in equation. Let's take this example. X by 3 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Here how can change the signs? Then here are two variable means one variable is x and number is 1 by 3. The 1 by 5 is alone here and 2 by 5. Then first of all we will take 1 by 5 to the other side. Then we get x by 3 is equal to 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. We will get 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 5. And value of x and 3 are the two numbers. X is variable and 3 is a numerical number. Then x by 3 goes where 3 goes? 3 here 3 is a downward, means 3 is in a denominator. Then 3 goes, when 3 goes in right hand side, it will go in numerator. Then x is equal to 3 by 5. X will be 3 by 5. I think you understand. When some number change its position, if it is alone, then it will change its sign only. When there is two numbers, one is variable and other is numerical. One is variable and other is numerical, then it will change only his position. It will change only his position. Understand? I think now your all confusions are not in your mind. Now students, if you have any other confusion regarding maths, then you can comment me and I will provide you video regarding that confusion. Thank you.